Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this training section with me. Today, I am going to show you guys how to create your very own autoresponder solution. We are going to use a script called MailWizz. It's a very robust script, a very wonderful script to create your own mail solution. Okay. Now, before we jump right into it, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel, help me grow this channel so I can always release and create good videos for you guys. Okay, and after you do that, please hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. And then also, if you like this video, please do well to click the like button. So without wasting time, let's jump right into it. First, you're going to need a DigitalOcean account. Okay, I'm going to leave a link under the description of this video that gives you access to create a DigitalOcean account with $100 bonus on it. Okay, so you can use it for 2 months, that's 60 days period. Okay, so please check the description. You're going to see the link there so you can create your account. Now let's create a droplet. Click on create a droplet. Yours might probably be on Ubuntu. Just move it to CentOS here. Okay, so you scroll down to the plan. Now these are various plans. You can choose which one that suits your needs. Okay, I'm going to take this. Then I scroll down to the region. What this means is that you choose a region here that's closer to where your clients are, so your service can be fast. Choose a password. After doing that, you scroll down to hostname. Scroll down to hostname, enter mail. It's going to be mail dot whatever your domain name is. After doing that, you scroll down to create droplet. Again, just give it some couple of minutes and it's going to be up. Oh, fine, it's up. What you do, you copy the IP address, go over to your domain name, registrar. Mine, I'm using Namecheap. So if you're using Google, GoDaddy, or whatever it is you're using, just go over to the DNS section. Okay, and then you're going to add some records. The first we're going to add a record. Then we'll add the mail. Then we add this. All right, so after doing that, now it's time to log into our VPS server. Okay, so you're going to make use of Bitwise or PuTTY. Okay, these are SSH clients that helps you to log in from a Windows machine into your VPS server. Okay, if you don't have it, you can go over to Google and just type Bitwise SSH clients and then download it, install, open it, put in the IP address, and then put in your password, the password you created while creating the droplet. Okay, then you click login. The first thing we're going to do is to install pair. Okay, just enter this command. Just give it a couple of seconds and it will be up. Okay, Okay, it's done. And then we want to check for the host name if it's okay, if it's live. Okay, just confirmed it. Use host name and mail. Okay, so now we're going to cd home. Okay, change directory to home. Then we're going to install Cpanel. Okay, so you just use this command to install it. Okay, all right, please make sure you are typing this command correctly so you don't run into any problem. Okay, after entering it, you just press the enter key and then you sh to this. Okay, it's going to install. It's going to take a while, so I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to come back after it's done. Okay, so we can proceed. All right, it is done installing Cpanel. So you just copy your IP address. Just copy your IP address, open a new tab, just enter it, and enter 287. Okay, I think that should take you to the WHM installation page. Okay, so you're going to enter rules, then enter the password. Okay, this is the password you use while creating the droplet. Okay, you have to agree. Okay, this is a trial version. Okay, the first time you're doing this, you're going to need to create account with Cpanel. Okay, so just enter an email and create account. So just create a new account, enter email, they will send a verification mail to you. Just after having the verification code, you enter it and then you are going to be taken to this page. So we want to set up our server. Just click set up server. Okay, so you click next. All right, congratulations, we have installed our dedicated VPS server. Okay, so the thing you need to do after creating this is to reboot the server. All right, click proceed and then the reboot is now in progress. Okay, and don't worry about this here because your server is rebooting. All right, we have successfully rebooted the server. So now we'll move on to create a new account and click there to create a new account. This account that you're going to be creating would be the domain name. Okay, that when people access the domain name, they are going to see your email solution. Okay, with the username and give it a password. You can enter whatever email here. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there. Let's click I need to send it a package. just make this and click here, make the account on itself. Click use the name server specified. Okay. Alright, you check your info. As long as they're okay, click create a new account. Okay. So we have successfully created the account here. So we click here to log in into the Cpanel. Alright, this is the Cpanel, okay, account. If you take a look, you are going to notice an issue here. So what we have to do is to go over here and click all and then run the auto install. Okay, then we'll come over here and click edit. We're going to edit the name server privileges. We're going to check it. We're going to make sure we have everything here. Okay, just save settings. Okay, and after that we are going to do some configuration on the easy Apache 4. You click customize, then we click on PHP extension. You just check this and check this, and then check here all. So we just want to make sure the zip and file info is installed. Okay, I'm looking for the zip. Okay. Yeah, there's two. Just make sure they are installed. Click the review to see the progress of the installation, and then we can provision it, and then we're okay with that. Click provision. Alright, it's completed, and also our install, our SSL auto install is also completed. So if you come back here and click here, you find out that there's no longer any warning here. Okay, so there's also another thing we need to do for our MailWizz to work. We'll come to multi PHP manager. Okay, select the PHP 3. Alright, you come to PHP editor here, the multi PHP editor here. Click on, look for this, and then we're going to, on the limit, we're going to put the negative sign 1, and then the box smart size, we should put 200, and then the maximum size here we can put 300. Sorry, we can put here 300. Then apply. Okay. Okay, I think we are all set and done. So now let's go over to the account, and then we'll go to File Manager. Here under this public HTML, this is where all your files should be. Okay. Okay, I want to click on upload file. Now we're going to look for where our file is, our MailWizz application is. Here's our MailWizz application. First, we can unzip it, okay, to select the necessary file that we need, the needed file that we need to install. Okay, so it has finished, unzipping. So go into the file. Then what you need to do is this latest. Okay, you just have to archive. Okay. Okay, after that, you click on the latest file there to get this. All right, our file is uploaded successfully. Now you have to extract this file. Okay. Also, I'd like you to understand that under the public underscore HTML, under this folder, it's where your root, let me just explain it this way. When you enter a domain name, okay, what you see, it's what will be here. It's the files that will be here. So if you want it to be like, let's say ufomalab.syz/ maybe mail, okay, you have to create a folder here, something like this, okay, create a folder and then you install it inside this folder. Okay, that will be when somebody enter your domain name, the person will have to go / let's say ufomalab.syz/ mail, okay, to see what you have installed there. So but I want to install it on the root directory. Okay, so I have to go back, okay, and extract the files here. All right, it's extracted, so I'll close and then reload. Okay, and this is the file. Another thing I'd like you to understand is you have to remove all the folders here, everything here back to the root. Okay, if you understand, public underscore HTML / latest is not on the root. Okay, so now before doing that, I will just finish the installation first. Okay, you have to create a database first. I'll put it mail. Now say mail again. Just create a password for it. Then create. Please make sure you check all privileges. Okay, and then you make change. All right, we have created this. So just copy because you're going to need it in the installation. All right, if you notice the file latest is not the files inside, these are the files, okay. If you notice, they are not on the root. Like I told you before, this public underscore HTML / latest. All right, so we want to move everything to make sure that when somebody enters our domain, the person will get to see what we have installed. Okay, so you select all and then you right click here, you move the files towards here. Okay, so you see all the files are right on the root. Okay, so now let's go over to install. Okay, you just enter the domain / install. Okay, we'll be presented with the installation directory. Oh, sorry, there's something I need to do. If you notice here, the SSL is not effective here, so we want to do something. Okay, we want to do something to make that happen. We want to get a secured link. We want to make sure that whenever anybody type our domain name, okay, with or without the secured link, that's the HTTPS, it will redirect the person to the secured link. Okay, so let's try and fix that. We'll go over here, create a file, we'll call it .ht access. Okay, here's the file. So we'll right click, we'll edit. So I'm going to leave the file in the description of this video. Okay, you click save. Now, if you notice, you see that we are now accessing it on the secured link. Okay. All right. So now you are going to agree, and then you enter your purchase code. All right. So here it's congratulations, your server configuration satisfy all requirements by MailWizz. Okay, so we have to click next. So you can see everything is okay. Now we're going to enter the database, the username. Remember what we used. Okay, the database name is also here. Okay. Okay, we enter these details and then we click start importing. So when you enter these details, you can just click create now. Yeah, so now we are going to add the cron jobs. Okay, so log into your server again and you're going to add these commands. Copy this command, you enter it, hit enter, then you pick these entries. Okay, make sure you copy everything. Okay, copy it well, then you enter. Oh, sorry, I haven't copied that yet. Okay, so you copy and hit enter. Then you take this also, then you remove this. You enter yes. Okay, and it's done. All right. So yes, I've copied it. You proceed. So congratulations, you have successfully installed MailWizz. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, we need to delete the installation folder. Okay, you come over here, this is the installation folder, you have to delete it. Okay, after doing that, you go over to your application and hit the button, the enter button. So wow, congratulations, you just installed your own customized autoresponder service. Click the login and you see everything is good to go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you do, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just encourage us and keep us growing so we can have more videos, brought to you. So thank you, and I'm going to see you in the next part of the lesson video section. The next part will be to configure the application. Okay, we'll configure the server, the templates, and everything that has to do with sending mail with this. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.